Are you a homeowner or future seller in Temescal Valley and you're wondering if now is the right time to sell? Let's unpack the July 2025 market data so you can make a confident decision. I'm here to break down what's happening with home prices, inventory, buyer trends, and interest rates. Whether you're thinking of selling or just staying informed, this update's for you. So let's start with the latest numbers. Median sales price, $740,887, down 2.5% from May. Average sales price, $747,394. Highest sale, $1.185 million, down 30% from prior high. And the lowest sale, $475,000, up 3.3% from last month. The homes sold in the last 30 days, 26, down from 35, a 25.7% drop. Active listings, 135. Pending sales, 35. New listings 19, and average days on market 61. The sale to list price ratio was 98.1%. The 12-month turnover rate was 3.46% of all homes. Home prices are holding steady. Prices dipped slightly in June, but year-over-year trends remain positive. The median is now $740,000, down from May's $760,000, but still strong historically. The average sales price mirrors that at $747,000, indicating most homes fall in the same price range. Luxury activity was lighter this month, with the top sale coming 30% lower than last month's peak. Meanwhile, the bottom of the market edged up slightly, suggesting resilience even at the entry level. Year-over-year, the median list price in Temescal Valley rose 2.1%, signalizing stable appreciation. The modest month-to-month dip is likely due to a seasonality and fewer high-end transactions, not market weakness. Only 26 homes sold this past month, down from 35, showing a possible seasonable pause or more cautious buyers. That said, we still have a low 1.5% listing rate across 8,837 homes in the area. Temescal Valley has roughly a 5-month supply of inventory now, a shift towards a more balanced market. We only had 3.8 months worth, so buying now will have a bit more breathing room, but it's not a buyer's market yet. Lower turnover also continues, just 3.46% of homes sold in the past year, as many homeowners are holding on to their ultra-low mortgage rates. With the average homeowner staying 12 years, this lock-in effect is real. The result? Less inventory and more power to sellers who choose to list. So what are buyers looking for? Temescal Valley's most in-demand homes are 3-bedroom, 9 sold for an average of $700,000. This is a sweet spot for families. For 4 bedrooms, 7 sold for $760,000 average, offering more space at a modest premium. 2-bedroom homes, 5 sold for $621,000 average, less common in this family-oriented area. For 5 bedrooms, 5 sold on $941,000 average, fewer buyers at this price point, but still moving. And nearly 73% of homes sold were in the $593,000 to $889,000 range, the mid-market. Only 4% of sales were under $593,000, and just 12% were over $889,000. That means demand is strong in the $600,000 to $900,000 zone. If you own a 3 or 4 bedroom home, you're right in the market sweet spot. Larger luxury homes can still sell well, but pricing and patience are key due to the smaller buyer pool. Homes are now taking about 61 days to sell, a healthy pace in a balanced market. Gone are the 2021 bidding wars, but homes still move with the right price and presentation. The average sales to list price ratio is 98.1%, meaning homes are generally selling close to asking price. Buyers aren't lowballing. They're informed, motivated, and willing to pay fair market value. However, strategy matters. Homes priced too high will sit and likely need reductions. Those priced at or slightly below market value attract more attention, may even sell faster or at full price. Interest rates are shaping the market. The 30-year fixed rate is hovering around 6.8%, more than double the 3% rates from a few years ago. This affects both buyers and sellers. For buyers, higher rates mean higher payments, making them more price conscious. For sellers, many are staying put to keep their low existing rate, further limiting supply. Despite higher rates, buyers out there now are serious. They're not tire kickers, and they're shopping with today's interest rates. They're motivated and ready to buy. That's good news for sellers. Forecasts suggest rates may stay in the 6% plus range through the end of 2025, so don't wait for a massive drop. It may not come soon. So is now a good time to sell? Yes, if you're prepared and realistic. And here's why. Prices are stable and strong historically. Inventory remains low. Only 135 active listings. Buyer demand is focused and serious. Homes are selling at 98% of list on average. The mid-market is active, especially for 3 to 4 bedroom homes. Less competition means your listing can stand out. What matters most is pricing correctly. Overpricing will stall your sale, but a smart price combined with good marketing can result in a solid offer within 30 to 60 days. Waiting might not yield better conditions. If rates do drop, more sellers could flood the market, creating more competition. Right now, fewer listings mean more visibility for your home. Temescal Valley's market has cooled from its pandemic peak, but it remains solid. Prices are stable, buyers are active, and the homes are still moving, just at a more traditional pace. If you're thinking of selling, now's a great time to evaluate your options. Curious what your home is worth? We'd love to give you a complimentary, no-pressure valuation based on up-to-date local data. So thanks for watching this July 2025 Market Insider Update for Temescal Valley. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for future updates. And let me know in the comments, are you surprised by these numbers? Thinking of selling? Let's talk real estate.